welcome to Daily Lingo. Today, I want to share something unusual a full day without my phone. Yes, no messages, no social media, no scrolling, just me and the world around me. While I tell this story, I'll teach you easy English words and phrases you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's explore this day together. Imagine waking up, leaving your house, and realizing you forgot your key. And my phone? Also inside. No key, no phone. I couldn't call anyone. At first, I felt panic. Panic means sudden fear or worry. My heart raced, but then I thought, maybe this is an opportunity. One whole day without a phone. A chance to notice the world around me. I decided to go to the library. Normally, I would check the map on my phone or take an Uber. Today, just a bus. Waiting at the bus stop, I noticed no phone, no clock, no map, just me and the world. On the bus, I felt calm. Calm means relaxed and peaceful. Usually, I scroll on my phone endlessly. Today, I looked at the trees, the people, the buildings. Everything felt clear, real. At the library, books everywhere. I picked one about cooking and sat by the window. Sunlight warmed the table. I read slowly, learned, and felt calm, very calm. After the library, I went to the beach. The sea was wide and open. Waves never stopped. I took off my shoes. The sand was warm, soft, perfect. No phone, no photos, just the sound of the waves. I breathed deeply. Freedom, peace. I noticed details I never saw before. The water, the sky, the horizon, all vivid. Being without a phone made me see the world differently. Later, I went to the cinema. A big screen, loud sound, huge visuals. I sat in the middle row, fully present. No notifications, no distractions. Watching the story unfold. I felt small but completely immersed. This experience, bigger than any phone screen. Real, full, unforgettable. Walking home at night, the city lights glowed softly. Tall buildings, street lamps, alive. I felt free. My day had changed. Without a phone, every detail felt alive. Every moment, real. Less phone, more living, more learning, more focus, more fun, more English. So, one day without a phone, possible, peaceful, and full of learning. You can try too. Notice the details, feel the freedom, experience the world. And yes, maybe you'll even learn something new, like English, in real life situations. Less phone, more life. Are you ready to try?